is more of arches. Not the arches, but everywhere you look, there's just
geologic magnificence.
Geologic magnificence. We're coming up here to what's called the Three Gossips. But
Courthouse and the organ.
Right there in the middle.
Structures.
But we prefer to call them the Three Kings because they look quite regal. Look at this road, though. Not the road, but look at this. There they are, right there. Gossiping away. We'll come back to them in a second. Whoa! And there's the Gossips. But they're so regal, they really should be the Three Kings.
Just epic scenery everywhere you look.